Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to export contact from Google account on Android. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Google account. Tap on manage your Google account. Tap on data and privacy. Scroll down and here tap on download your data. And here you have to tap on deselect all and select only contacts. After that, scroll down. At the bottom, tap on next step, and here your file will be ready. So tap on create export, and here you have to wait for some time and your file will be ready and you will be able to download it. So here our file is ready, so you have to tap on download, and then here you have to enter your password and tap on next, and your file will be downloaded and you can save that contact to your contact list. So in this way you can recover your contact from the Google account. So I hope this video will help you out guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.